Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmund Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve Windows update with the error code 0x80070646 failed to install in Windows 11 computer. So this error 0x80070646 typically occurs while installing an update and then you receive a message like something didn't go. So this problem is usually caused by issues with the update service itself, such as damaged update components or cache files, insufficient permissions for the update service, and network issues. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So the first solutions we will do is to run the Windows Update Troubleshooters. And all you have to do is to click on a search menu and then here at search for apps, and then you need to type troubleshoot settings and then click open. And then here at troubleshoots, and then you need to select other troubleshooters and then click. And again here at other troubleshooters, and then you need to select Windows Update, and on right side then you can see here this run button and then click and wait to complete the detecting problems, initializing, and diagnostic process. And troubleshooting has completed and the scan is complete, and then we have the problems found, this Windows update issues detected. If this problem is fixed, then you click this yes, but if not, then click no. And then also you can view the detailed informations here to see this problems issues, and then you need to follow also another screen instructions to fix this error. So once you're done here at Windows troubleshooters, and then we need to close. And the other solutions that we're going to do is to check Windows Update Service permissions. So all you have to do is to press the Windows key plus letter R on your keyboard and then pop up this run. So here in box, then you need to type this command keyword services.msc. So just type this command keyword services.msc and then click OK. And once you open up this services and services local, and on right navigation pane, then we need to find and locate this Windows update. So scroll down and then find this Windows update service. So all you have to do is to select and then right click and then select properties. So once open up this Windows update properties, and the next step, then you need to select this log on tab and then click in here at log on tab, and then you can see here this log on as, and then you need to select local system account. Okay, so select these settings and then click apply and then click OK. And then after at services, and then we need to close, and then here at the start menu, and then we need to restart this PC. Alright, so that's it guys on how to fix Windows update with the error code 0x80070646 failed to install in Windows 11. And please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.